My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Skoda Octavia. This vehicle has done just over 61,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. On the right, we have lane assist, automatic headlights, and our keyless ignition. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio and media, Skoda Connect and SmartLink, traffic reports and navigation, our vehicle settings and smartphone integration. On the second page, we have sound, air conditioning, images and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. Just below, we have our mode button where we can switch between sport mode, individual, eco and normal. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.